Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. You guys, it is December 30th. This is our very last video or grocery haul of the year. It's our very last grocery haul of the year. Starting January, we are doing the pantry challenge. Now, we did not need a lot of things today, but I will share with you what we picked up, and then we'll also go through the pantry and the freezers and kind of map out a plan moving forward. So we went over to Harris Teeter primarily for this deal, and I ran up on this deal and this deal. Oh, this was a deal too. Okay, so we picked up some onions. This is 3 pounds of onions. I think Jackson said they were $3.38. Carrots were 99 cents. The cornbread, the beans, and some tomatoes, which we have a ton of tomatoes, were max 9 for 47 cents each. So I got 4 cornbread because I used cornbread at Friendsgiving and I did not replace it. So I'm replacing it here, and I picked up 4 beans. Now, these wings, when you see wings, $13.99, buy one, get one free for 5 pounds, you pick up those. I should have picked up 2 more. So I got 10 pounds of wings for $13.99. These petite snacking tomatoes, we did love those in the food dehydrator. They were $5.99. I picked those up. Jackson asked for green peppers. We picked those up. They were $1.67, I believe. Mushrooms, these cremini mushrooms, I think were 99. Oh, no, they were 2 for $3. So Italian sausage was 2 for $3 as well. No, it was $5.99, buy one, get one free. So we bought one and got one free. Then I went over to Aldi because I forgot my Brussels sprouts at Harris Teeter. I got 3 things of Brussels sprouts. I picked up 1 sunflower chopped salad kit. It was $2.99, but $1 off. Some dry cranberries. And then I picked up these little cookie things. I wouldn't recommend them, but they were 50% off at the $1.79. My son did not clean up his mess, but he will. And so this is the last things that we need for the year. And I will show you kind of what's in our fridges, pantries, freezers as we move into the pantry challenge, because we are doing the use it up by very little. So let me jump in and I'll show you those. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is look in the fridge, right? Doing this challenge, we've got to use up and eat everything that's in here. So the first thing I am going to do is pull out these Brussels sprouts. We're having Brussels sprouts for dinner. So I'm going to pull those out. All 3 bags are being used. It's Saturday. Saturday suppers, we always do. We do the sides. I'm pulling out these tomatoes. These are going in the dehydrator, and I also have some mushrooms that are going to go in the dehydrator as well. The next thing we are going to pull out are some of this fruit, and we're going to set out, just do a fruit tray basket, fruit salad. So Alana, pull out any fruit down here that we can use. And we'll get all of that cleaned out, and dishes will have to be done. The next thing is we're going to go through, and I want to clean up this. Pull the stuffing out. We'll put that in the oven. We had some stuffing left over from Thanksgiving. We are going to put this in the oven to let it warm up. And I have some sausage that was left over that we're going to go ahead and grind this up and add it to the stuffing. So we're getting rid of 5, 7, 8 things. So that really does clean out quite a lot of things at the moment. Pull anything out that's fruit, not my cranberries. I'll do something with them later. So I'm going to get to working on these Brussels sprouts. Okay, I've salvaged this stuffing that's going in the oven. This is bread. Jackson did 3 crusty breads, and they're getting ready to go in the oven. So there's one in the French oven. Then we have 2 glass pans. We only have 1 French oven, so he's going to put the other 2 in the glass pans. I'm going to salvage that ham a little bit so we can do something with that. And then I'm going to get started on the Brussels sprouts. Alrighty, you guys. So we're going to close out this first video for the pantry challenge, the use it up challenge, the do all the things challenge, because I have some other things, other videos coming out, but I feel like I got a lot going on. So I'm going to close this one. You're going to see a second videos coming out with a grocery haul as well as a cook with me. And then we're going to be on track. We're just a little bit still behind from our Christmas vlogs. And so we're doing our best to try to get all those out. I think I have one more Christmas vlog. I have three more Christmas vlogs. But I'm going to do them in succession. And then I have a Nadine West video that's coming out. You'll see all that way before you see this. Right, and then we'll be jumping into the pantry challenge. And I'm going to try to do a video every day for the next 3 weeks if I'm able. So anywho, there it is, you guys. Thank you all so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.